From the perspective of a symptom of the disease, you can take different attitudes. One of them is passive. It is watching what's going on inside and doing nothing, and even worsening of the condition through negative thinking. I am sick. There is always something going on, and it's not always with positive results. On the contrary, can cause this effect by passivity and negative thinking. The second attitude is to take advice or drugs derived from the recommendations of other people, including doctors. This attitude is a form of passivity, acceptance of the advice of others who know more about my health or disease and advise how to fix them. It is common to think of myself as a mechanistic machine. It is also a form of herd thinking. He says it helped me, it will help me. Of course, the drug may bring temporary effect because, as we all know, the drug has disposed of symptoms and usually do it for 2 or 3 hours, then return, sometimes with a vengeance, because surely nothing has been done to the cause. But it is not a cure, but a symptom suppression, hiding it deep and divided into small parts, which sometimes suddenly appear in another place. If you recall a situation in your life when you were a symptom of the wrist and is now also in the knee or shoulder, I do not deny the use of drugs, but we all need moderation. I do not deny especially those drugs that enhance the function of organs and systems in state of emergency, when these organs have lost their capacity and to support them. Complementary methods should be part of the process of treatment and healing, and often at the beginning. But the widespread use of drugs such as painkillers is pointless, and intrusive solicitation to use them is immoral and even harmful to health. They do not remove anything. Value is to find the cause of pain and eliminate it. And here we can harness to run all of our natural capacity of the body, sometimes not discovered because we have not taught or taught improperly. For example, using of imagination to imagine the risks instead of positive change. It is therefore necessary only to discover it and go forward. You can help them by external actions such as movement, massage, exercise, and physical procedure that will strengthen the body and allow it to take over the original functions. But you need them to support himself primarily by daily activities and repeat every single day, not just on a special occasion. What can you do for yourself today? Take at least one step and repeat it several times. Thank you for your attention. please take any action.